Guys, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everybody doing today? My loves, I'm going to show you guys my stickers. I have a lot of stickers to show you. I have all these Halloween stickers that I want to work with and I want to kind of like use. I want to like really be proactive with my Halloween stash because there's a lot. Okay, so I want to show you some of these stickers that I have. We did already a video on the craft papers and the ephemeras, and now I want to show you the stickers. Hopefully this won't be too long, but I do have a lot to show you, so it's probably going to be a long video. I am very sorry in advance, but you know, I love stickers. You guys know me. I'm a sticker lover and I am obsessed with stickers. So, you know, it comes with the territory. Okay, so let's get started, yeah? So what I did is I have some stickers here that I want to show you. I separated a whole bunch of them. So it's just random stickers that I have left over from previous projects a few years ago. And so I just kind of want to share with you guys. So this is a really fun peel and stick sticker that I got at the Dollar Tree. It says something wicked comes this way, and I thought it was really fun. This could be like a nice little frame kind of decor for the wall. All right, I have this beautiful sticker pack here that I'm obsessed with. I love it. And it's gorgeous. It's from American Crafts. So old. So old. All right. I have this one that's kind of like a bottle, like a label bottle from Michaels. That's pretty cool. Then we have these two little pumpkins. I love this. I used to use a lot of I used to do a lot of ephemerals with these little pumpkins. So cute. And I only got two of these left over. I got this one from Hobby Lobby, a whole bunch of crosses. This is fun. This is from Tim Holtz. This has a lot of really awesome Halloween wordings in here. I like this a lot. Never used it, but I'm absolutely going to be using it for my DIY project and for junk journaling. Love this. Okay, let's put this on the side over here. Then we have some more stickers. I got this one from the Dollar Tree. This is another one from the Dollar Tree. Okay, these are fun. Got 3 of these. And then we got this from the Dollar Tree as well. Also fun. This is also cute. I've used most of them, but there's still some here that I can use. And then you got some really fun little candy corns right here. These are cute as well. And some nice little skeletons right here. You got these really cute puffy ghosts. I think this I got from Target. I believe Target. And this is fun. This is some really fun Halloween wordings from Michaels as well. Whole bunch. It has sweet treats, poison, October 31st, jack-o'-lantern, spirit, zombie, spells, fun Halloween. This is really cute. I love this. My favorite sticker ever. Love, 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 love. This one is also part of these ephemerals that I also found, which I'm obsessed with. And I showed you guys the book, the craft paper that goes with this on my last video. My favorite, my favorite. Okay. Then we have more stickers. We got this one from Michaels. Has a lot of really cute little square Halloween wordings. And then you got this one that's a kind of like a little circle labels from Michael as well. This one is really cute. You got some black cats here, which are super cute. Hope you can see with the glare. I'm so sorry, the glare. And then you got some really cute zombies. These are cute too. You got some really fun pumpkins. And some creepy frames. This is cute. I absolutely love this one. This is actually one of my favorite stickers ever. I think I have a whole bunch of these. Yeah, right here. I am obsessed with this sticker. Every time I see it, I pick it up. I love it. It's so gorgeous. Look at those pumpkins. Look at those pumpkins. I think this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous pumpkin. I love it. So I have a whole bunch of these. And then I also have the poison bottle sticker, which also kind of goes somewhat with this. And look how cute this is. This is really, really cute. Okay, we have some banner stickers from Michael. More black cat with really creepy eyes. And then we got more of these cute little pumpkin mask. Cute, right? That's cute. You got some zombie. And then some hunting houses. Okay. There is a lot of stickers here. I love stickers, as you can see, obviously. Then you got some really cute witch legs here. And then you got some really fun pumpkin, creepy pumpkin here. This is another one part of the, let's see, part of these. Yeah. This is some candies. All right. Got some black foam, not black, different colors. You got black, purple, silver, orange, and more black. Cats from the Dollar Tree. These are cute. Foam cats from the Dollar Tree. And then you got, I found this like about, I think it was like last year, maybe a year ago, maybe two. Halloween leather. It's like a strip of leather that has like Halloween wordings on it. I don't know if you can see very well with my glare, but it's really cute. We can do something with this. This is kind of fun. Then you got some really cute little Halloween stickers here. And these are my favorite stickers from the Dollar Tree a few years ago. I still have tons of these left over. I have so many of these, but I used them in previous projects. And then more of this. I am so excited for the Halloween series, guys. I hope you guys are too. If you're not familiar with the Halloween series, usually what I do is every year I try my best to do a Halloween series. I also do like Easter and Christmas. I haven't really been too proactive the last few years because a lot of things have been going on. But this year, I'm very excited to get back to doing more of these fun crafting projects with you guys. And if you want to get an idea of like how I put this together, I do have older videos that show you or gives you an idea of what exactly is the Halloween series, okay? So you can take a look at that and see. This is some rub-ons. I love rub-ons, but again, I destroy this. I don't know how to use them properly, so we'll see. We'll see. This is another Halloween sticker, which is also fun. And then I have this one that I bought at Five Below. You got Freddy from Nightmare in Elm Street. Remember the Nightmare on Elm Street movie? Freddy. We got Jason from Friday the 13th. And we got Chucky. And then we got the Nun. Okay. These are from Five Below, these stickers. I got them, I think last year, maybe a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. Those are fun. Okay, those are the stickers that I am going to be working with for some really fun projects. Now, I also have sticker books here that I can very briefly go over with you. This is some really fun sticker books that I got at Michael's, you know, a few years ago. And these are also very fun to kind of like really work with. As you can see, they have labels. You got some really beautiful stickers, some potions, some crystals, moons, flowers, witch hats, books, cats. Just really fun things to do. Then you got this one, which I got 2 of these because this is actually one of my favorite sticker books. So many beautiful things in here. Look at that. Look how gorgeous is that. More labels. Look at these gorgeous butterflies. Washi tape. And then you have these beautiful flowers. Beautiful snakes. Some like bottle labels. Yeah, this is a really beautiful one. I love this one. Then you got this one, which I got 2 also. And then this one is more like a tarot kind of image in here. Oh, this is closed. Hold on. I think this one is open. Yeah. Got some labels. You got some really wonderful words. Halloween words. Some really lovely stickers. Very light but beautiful. Circle stickers, washi tape, some labels, some wordings, stars, moon, sun, and then you got the tarot, you got the high priestess, the emperor, the hierophant, strength, the tower, and the magician. The star, death, sun, and the moon. Very nice. Then we got this one, which is the witchery. This is a really beautiful sticker book. I also like this one as well. It's so beautiful. I love the image, the beautiful images of the stickers in here. I just love this little witchy lady right there. She's just so cute. Look at these cute little pumpkins. This is a really nice one. I love these washi tapes. So pretty. I think this is part of the Hocus Pocus collection. Not sure. It might be. But I love this sticker book. And you can tell I used it a lot. Look at that, how cool. Love, love, love. Look, I used the whole page there. Wow. These are cute little icons. Those are so cute little icon stickers. Okay, then you got this one, which is also beautiful. Okay, and the last one is this one right here. This one I like also. I think this is a Hocus Pocus one too, isn't it? Look how cute these are. Cute. Beautiful, huh? Look at that. We have so much to work with. I am super excited to really start working on these projects with you guys. I also picked up, I know, I really should not be buying any more stickers, but I could not help myself. I stopped by the Dollar Tree and I saw these and I just thought they were so freaking cute. So I picked them up. I love the color combo, the purple, the minty, like the aqua minty blue. It just looks so beautiful. I just love it. I just love it. So I picked 2 of these up. I also picked up these sticky body parts at the Dollar Tree. I love these. These are so gross, but I have a project in my mind that I am dying to do, and we're going to use these for that project. It's probably going to be a gross project, but I love it. It's Halloween. This is the only time when you can really be gross and be okay with it, right? Look at these eyeballs. You got eyeballs, you got a tongue, you got a hand, you got a foot. I think you got an ear in here. This is going to be fun to do. This is going to be really fun to do. I picked up 2 of these because my brain is just like, yes.